Hello, you guys. It is your girl, Plan on the _39. Your girl, Tiff, is here on your YouTube, IG, Facebook, or whatever it is that you are watching me through. I am here today with a double duel, an unboxing of Simply Gilded Divine, and an unboxing of the Villabeautiffull and Papershire collab. So this is the box that the items for Simply Gilded came in. Very beautiful. Has that circle with the flowers and the crystal in the center, and then on the back it is even more beautiful. So this can be repurposed and used for something else. And then this is the packaging that the Villabeautiffull items came in. Very beautiful. This is the VB and Papershire collab, and this is the I Just Need Coffee kit, and it is just, the packaging is just so beautiful. I will be repurposing these packages, or these boxings, casings, or whatever it is that you want to call it. So the first shop that we are going to get into is a Villabeautiffull, and I am going to unveil the secret item, which is this beautiful tumbler with all of the Papershire icons and decos. And you have this special one, which I believe is Tiffany, the founder of Villabeautiffull. So yes, this tumbler is very pretty. It has the lock and unlock for drinking, and then it has some instructions on the inside, and these are the instructions. This is what the inside of the cup looks like, and this looks like it probably holds about 16 ounces. Doesn't really say, but I want to guess that it's 16 ounces. It did have some minor imperfections, but nothing too big to worry about. Here is the washi. Very, very beautiful. And at the end of this video, I will show you all of the washi rolled out. And you can see the Papershire characters and the coffee, like a latte, or you know, that little decoration that they put inside of the coffee. So there is the one, and then this one is like a kind of like splatter look, and it is very, very beautiful. So I did like the washi, and then I'm just jumping into the good stuff. So this is the pen, and when I tell y'all, this pen is more beautiful in person, believe me when I tell you. At first, I wasn't really for sure if I was filling the box or not, but I did decide to keep the box and give some of the items away to my boo Bubs, which is Bubble Puddle on IG, Annie. And so it ended up working out because she didn't want the pen. But anyway, this is like a kind of cream barrel with the white writing and the Villabeautiffull inscription with the gold hardware. Super duper pretty. And then because there was some minor imperfections in the tumbler, she did throw in this notepad, and it says check it off. I will be gifting this to my boo Coco Chanel. She is, oh my goodness, I can't remember her IG handle. But anywho, yes, I'll be giving these away as well. Then you have your dashboard that says coffee, and it says liquid that smells like fresh ground heaven. Super duper cute. I love the dashboards, and it's also a checklist to make sure that you have everything in your kit. It also came with this beautiful pouch that does have, let me get some of this. There we go. It does have the characters on the front and the back. And since I am giving this away to my boo, Annie, I did package some things on the inside for her to have, which was the transparent tabs and flags, tabs. I always call them tabs. But super duper beautiful. I almost had wanted to keep them, but I'm going to keep my word. And she didn't ask for much, so she most definitely can have these items. I did part with this. It is absolutely beautiful, but I decided to keep the flat lay, which is the planner one, so I let her have that one. And we are going to get these out. And so I typically don't use these, so it was no problem when she said she wanted these. I almost had expected it because I know she likes these little things. And so, frankly, the script is way too small for me, but if you have a small planner, it probably works perfectly. I'll put these back in the inside for her. And then this is the one that I kept that I absolutely love. And it's a flat lay of the planner. And this one is a little scratched up, and I was kind of sad about it, but maybe the film will peel off and it won't be so scratched up. But yeah, and I'll probably give this one to someone. And the lighting is messing that up. The next thing we have is this beautiful notepad. And yes, it has plenty of sheets. It has the gold foil. It's super duper pretty. And then we are going to get into the sticker book, and she always provides this deco sheet for you. Super pretty. It's a lit. And I'm going to do a quick flip through of the sticker book for you guys. So I'm hoping, yes, so that angle is perfect. And this paper is like a matte paper, but it's actually a really good matte paper. I myself am a premium matte girl, but I do make an exception for my Villa kids. And this deco sheet is super duper lit. Look at that. I always love this page. Then we got the date covers. And then this is the last page. Yes, that's the last page. And then the last thing we have are the clips. And so I'm moving along this video pretty quickly because I unwrapped everything before getting started. So how pretty is that? It's like a little planner with a bow clip. Super duper pretty. It has the sparklies on there and it is like stamped on the back. And this is a little coffee cup. Super pretty, and it is also stamped on the back. And that is it. That's all we have for the Villabeautiffull. So we are going to go ahead and hop right into the Simply Gilded items. This is the washi from the Divine kit and box. And it is super duper gorgeous. Especially the butterflies. Like, look at that. There we go. You can see that up close. Super duper pretty. And then this one is like a navy blue with like hints of like pink hollow. And it's the moon phases. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Since we showed all the washi, let me go ahead and show you guys it rolled out. Super duper pretty. Look at that butterfly washi. Irene, girl, you got it going on. Yes, Irene has it going on. And so we got the 2 pins, which hope you guys can see it good because it has so much foil. When the light hits it a certain type of way, it makes my camera like start focusing too much. But there we go. Yes, this pen is a lit. I love it. And then we got this pen, which I think this is the pen that you need to write on her paper. There we go. So, yeah. That was getting on my nerves with all that focusing. Then we have the vellum sticky notes. Yes. Like, these are so stinking cute. I love how it's like moon shaped. It's like circular. And we got these, which she always sends these. And I always give them away, because they're a little bit on the smaller side for me. I need my script to be larger. Now we're getting into the kit. Y'all, this kit is like super lit. I love it. Like, yes, yes, yes. Yes to the kit. They say yes to the dress, yes to the kit. And then this material is like a kind of vinyl material. I'm used to the kit. Oh, I was gonna say, I'm used to the kit being 2 pages. And so here is that other page. Then we got the B6 grid that I will be using. Oh, y'all. Oh, Irene didn't outdid herself, you guys. Like, ooh, child. Then you got the journaling card to make sure that you got all of your items. And then you have the journaling card that I'm going to add to my collection. Yes. Love the bunny ears poking out the top. And then you got some vellum with the zodiac chart. And the acetate, which I just call it laminate paper. But, okay, it might be a little bit thicker, so they call it acetate. But, yes. You guys, this freaking pouch is so gorgeous. The shimmer of the freaking bronze cocoa look. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And then we got this moon. And it is a pen. And then this is so cute. I'm gonna keep this and use this for something. But she sent us these like vinyl die cuts that are super gorgeous. Y'all gotta excuse my nails because I need to get them done. I should have went today, but I was just being lazy all day. I had a lazy day. I ain't had to take mom nowhere. They ain't asked me to do nothing. Like, I didn't have to do nothing that I didn't want to do. So I was super duper lit about that. And as an added bonus, I'm going to show you guys something that I had got from Crochet Designs. And Boo was kind enough to send me these extras, and I just want to thank her so much. Thank you, Crochet. I will link her shop in the description, along with all the other shops and savings codes that you guys can use. Yes, so that is it for this haul. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you to the ones who have been supporting me from the beginning, and thank you to the ones who is just hopping along for this journey that is continuing to be a success. Much love and light to you, babes. Don't forget to go check out my shop, Love and Light Charms, one word, on Etsy. And if you guys want to follow me on my IG page, it is plan_on_39, and it will also be linked in the description. You guys have a wonderful day, and I love how this video flowed today. I didn't feel like it was too long or too short, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment down below, and I will talk to you lovely beauties the next time. Peace.